start with releasing the mag. Verify that the mag's empty. Check that the chamber's empty. Lock the slide back. Rotate the takedown pin 90 degrees. Then just pull back on the slide. That pops the takedown pin out. Lock the slide back again using the slide lock.
Okay.
Take the takedown pin out.
Okay.
Now, pull the trigger. And then release the trigger. Take it off. Remove the recoil spring. Remove the barrel. The pistol is field stripped.
Okay.
To reassemble, exactly the opposite. Replace the barrel. Replace the recoil spring. Take the slide unit. Mate it with the slide rails. Push it all the way back. Lock it back with the slide stop. Make sure the barrel is fully forward.
Okay.
The slide slap pin, we'll insert it initially just like it would sit by pushing down the small spring.
So with the okay, and the way you put that pin in, it had the small thing on the bottom.
Right.
I mean,
The rounded part goes on the bottom, and we use that just to push that small spring down.
okay.
Small spring there in front of the hole.
Okay.
Just enough to insert it. And start it by lining it up in the length that's in the barrel, and it's got to go through several other holes on the other side.
Okay.
We'll push it forward, and then we'll rotate it.
Rotate it clockwise.
Rotate it clockwise.
Okay.
180 degrees from where it normally sits.
Okay.
Alright? And then, once it's in that position, we can rotate it around, putting pressure on it, and it snaps in
Okay.
when it gets to the final point.
Okay.
Verify.
Okay.
The pistol is reassembled.
All right. Beautiful. Thanks.